Hey there guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today I'll show you how to get this alternative version of TikTok designed for adults. Be careful though, this video is purely for educational purposes. We're going to explore the pros, the cons, and most importantly, how to install it 100% safely without risking viruses on your device. The best part, you can install it on both Android and iPhone devices. So let's dive in. Alright, as you can see, I already have this modified version of TikTok. The icon you see here is from an older version, but it's already been updated. Let me walk you through the installation process step by step. First, open your browser and you'll see a screen like this. I'll click on New tab and then we'll head to this specific website. You'll need to type it exactly as it appears on the screen. Once you've done that, the platform will load. Here you'll see something like free mods for iPhone and Android. What you're looking for is an app called TikTok 18+, exclusive content for TikTok. This version includes the type of content we saw earlier, though I'll admit it's the mildest option I've found on this platform. Of course, there's a lot of other stuff here that we won't go into today, but I've already reviewed this app in a previous video on my channel. Now click on the link and a message will pop up saying injection required. Just follow the instructions. The first step is to click on Store Injection. What this platform does is inject the app directly into your device automatically. You won't need to download anything separately, and the best part is that it's completely safe. Here you can see the process starting. It's downloading a file and setting everything up for the installation. Remember, this works for both Android and iPhone, so you won't have to worry about any complicated downloads or configurations. Let's wait for the installation to finish. The speed will depend on your device, but it's almost done now. Once the process is complete, it'll take you to another page where you'll need to verify the installation. This verification usually involves some form of advertising. You'll see various sponsor apps listed, each with specific instructions. Make sure you read these instructions carefully because if you skip a step or do it incorrectly, the process won't work. For instance, one app asked me to install it, open it, and register. So that's exactly what I did. Once you install the app, it'll redirect you to Google Play or the App Store, depending on your device. A quick tip, always make sure you're downloading apps directly from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. This ensures everything stays secure. After you've completed the sponsor app's requirements, the TikTok 18+ app will be ready to use. The installation is complete. As you can see, it's already installed, and it will show up here in the applications menu. Let's open it up now. We'll wait for it to load. Okay, it's loading. Let's give it a moment to fully open. Alright, here we are. Now, I'm going to start censoring everything because honestly, the content here is quite explicit. To avoid any issues, I'll make sure to censor all of it. Oh, one thing I forgot to mention is that this app includes a user settings section. Here you can adjust various configurations, such as the quality of the content you want to view and other preferences. For instance, in the collection section, you'll find everything you've saved. Just so you know, the interface has changed quite a bit. To be honest, it's very different from what we're used to seeing on TikTok. But anyway, this platform is designed for a specific audience who enjoys this kind of content. So, we'll wrap up the video here. I hope you found this guide helpful for downloading content safely without causing issues on your device. Stay tuned for more videos like this one. That's all for now. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.